been in the industry for 5 years. I've literally done it all. I've tried pretty much every genre. I've done some shitty things. I've done some great things. I'm here so that you guys can skip like the 2 awkward years that I began with.
But the reason why I brought Ciara in particular, the fact that she's able to travel 6 months out of the year to do that job is something that not a lot of people can say, can boast.
To be a model, you're an interpretation. You're not there to be pretty, you're not there for yourself. If you're getting hired, your job is to figure out what the photographer wants, to listen to the music, to feel the surrounding, and somehow put that in a body language. You can message any model about someone they've worked with and they will 100% respond. That's what's great about this industry, is everyone is so aware of safety. If you ask for advice, they might not respond. If you ask for a reference, they always do. Everyone's got each other's back.